What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is March 22nd, 2023, and time does fly. So, oh man. Anyway, it looks like Nvidia is bringing back dual GPU support, not in the way that some of us would like, because back in the day, man, having like an SLI setup or even not like a Crossfire setup. I never had a Crossfire setup on AMD, but having an SLI setup was just like bad mamma jamma. Like that was like top of the line. SLIs kind of went out the window. 30 series, I think you could only do it on like a handful of cards, and I don't even know if 40 series. Do 40 series cards even have SLI at all? I don't know. I don't think so, actually. We'll take a look at that here in a second. But they are bringing it on board for some data center and like workload specific GPUs. Let's take a look at this article and see what it's all about. So Nvidia announced the new dual GPU product, the H100 NVL, during its GTC Spring 2023 keynote. This won't bring back SLI or multi-GPU gaming, and it won't be one of the best graphics cards for gaming, but instead targets a growing AI market. From the information and images, Nvidia has released the H100 NVL or H100 NVLink. Will support 3 NVLink connectors on the top, with 2 adjacent cards slotting into separate PCIe cards. And I guess this is a picture of it. Note that the existing H100 PCIe already had 3 NVLink options, but the H100 NVL makes some other changes that will also only be sold as a paired card solution. It's an interesting change of pace, apparently, to accommodate servers that don't support NVIDIA's SXM option, with a focus on inference performance rather than training. The NVLink connection should help provide the missing bandwidth that the NV switch gives on the SXM solutions, and there are some other notable differences as well. So yeah, I mean, taking a look at this, the H100 PCIe is 350 to 400 watts per GPU. So if you're running dual, you could be upwards of 800 watts. 134 teraflops. I mean, if we can compare that to a 3090 tera, what's the T flops on a 4090? 100 teraflops. So 134 teraflops. So 34 teraflops over a 4090. FP, man. I guess that's good. But these aren't gaming cards. These are for AI and all that kind of stuff. But it gives me hope that maybe Nvidia won't just totally give up on like dual GPU support. Hold on, let's see here. 4090 NVLink. Nvidia kills off NVLink on 4090. So does 4090 not have it? PCIe Gen 5 takes over the role of NVLink. NVLink is no longer supported on Ada Lovelace GPU architecture. Replacing NVLink is the PCIe Gen 5 standard. Nvidia will use freed up space from the removal of NVLink to cram in more AI processing capabilities. Huh. It's still a single GPU though. There's something about it, like having an old school dual GPU setup. I don't know. For me, obviously being maybe older than some of you guys, but probably younger than others, you know what I'm talking about. If you're older and you had a dual GPU setup, 10 years ago, you had your stuff, your ducks in a row. And I always wanted like some crazy, dual like 680 setup, or didn't they even make like a 685 or something that was like a dual 680 on board? Regardless, before we get off here, I wanted to take a look at the market. Market's been doing some crazy stuff. It pulled back ever so slightly today, but still up quite a bit. $27,375 Bitcoin. It's down 3% in the last 24 hours, but still up over 12% on the week. Ethereum, $1,740. It's also down 3%. XRP, 42 cents. It's down 8% in the last 24 hours, but still up 16% over the week. So, yeah, a little pullback today. I know the actual stock market had a pretty good dip today too, so maybe that's affecting it. Dogecoin, 7.4 cents. By the way, none of this is financial advice. I'm just here. We're talking about things. It's entertainment. So take that with 3 grains of salt. Litecoin, $87.74. It's up 7%. It's actually one of the few that didn't pull back today. Ethereum Classic, $20.35. Monero, $152.26. It's not even down at 1%, but it's only up 3% over the last week. So hasn't been moving as much as some of the other coins. We take a look at, what about old buddy Caspa? What about Caspa? What's it doing? It's up 1.8% at 1.6 cents currently on the Caspas. So, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Hopefully you guys are having a good night or a good morning if you're watching this in the morning. If you're heading to work, knock it out of the park today. Get yourself a Twix, drink a water, stay hydrated. If you're going to bed, eat a Twix, drink a water, then brush your teeth, stay hydrated. If you're not doing either of those, eat a Twix, drink water, chill out, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios, guys. I'm gonna go get me a Twix. I need one. Later.